Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to remove SIM pin from your SIM card into XIAOMI Redmi 10C. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find password and security option. Here scroll down one more time and go into privacy option. And now we got SIM block option, so go into our SIM card. And for remove SIM pin, need to turn off this option, lock SIM card. So tap on the switcher to remove, and for unlocking SIM card, need enter your pin and tap OK. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.